Reminders not showing notifications? Let's fix it in a few quick steps. Open Settings, tap Notifications, choose Reminders, and enable Allow Notifications. Turn on lock screen alerts, banners, sounds, and badges for reminders. Open Focus, select Active Focus, add reminders to allowed apps and time sensitive. In Reminders, open the list and ensure list notifications are enabled. Confirm iCloud is syncing reminders under your Apple ID in Settings. Enable Background App Refresh for reminders and disable Low Power Mode. If issues persist, offload or delete reminders, then reinstall from the App Store. Create a test reminder with an alert time and check for a delivered notification. On-screen callouts and captions will guide you through each troubleshooting step. Checklist, notifications on, focus allowed, list notifications, iCloud sync, restart, update. Still stuck? Contact Apple support or visit our channel for more guides.